Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. In this lesson we're going to learn Scarborough Affair, a traditional song in my arrangement, and we're going to specifically focus on wrist circles. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. So the melody is extremely simple in the right hand, but very nice phrasing and expression, and we're going to create beautiful phrases by connecting the notes, lovely legato, and again lots of wrist motion. And the left hand is using this interesting pattern, which is an octave with the fifth in the middle. So and here we need a lot of freedom and flexibility of the wrist. It can get very tiring after a very short amount of time if your wrist is not free, if it's tense. So what you want to achieve is get your hand into this D position and really start moving the wrist around freely. See if you can move it into a circle with the other hand, and that's the kind of freedom feeling that you should have when you start playing this pattern or any other kind of pattern, as a matter of fact. So don't forget, we are in the key of D minor, every B is going to be B flat, and we are in 3/4, so 3 quarter note beats in every bar, and the left hand is really counting 1, 2, 3. We are going to use the pedal, but let's add that a little bit later on. The legato is there for the left hand, so entire left hand is going to be legato. We only have a few chords. We have a D chord, so D, A, D. We have a C chord, C, G, C, a G chord, G, D, G, and an F chord, F, C, F. So very simple harmonies. Now let's start working on this wrist circle, going up in a beautiful shape, very smoothly, allowing the hand to move and really follow the melody. So that's the aim of this exercise. Let's play through the entire left hand now with the pedal. So starting, we're going to re-pedal every time there is a new chord. So D minor, 2, 3rd bar, 4th bar, and now C chord, and back to D minor, D minor, and jumping down to G major, back to D minor, now F major, and coming down, crossing under to the C, and this is quite a difficult passage, so F, C, F, F, E, D, C, G, C, back to D minor, C major, D minor, and crossing over to the F. And that's the left hand. So practice it a lot to be able to play it very freely before you start adding in the right hand melody. So right hand starts in this D minor position, number 1 on the D, and the slurs show you where the phrases start and end, so make sure to lift up the hand between the slurs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, lift, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross over 2, 4, 2, lift, 1, 2, F and D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross over 2, lift, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have a tie at the end, and ritenuto slowing down for the final 2, 3 bars. So beautiful phrasing, and these double notes and chords should be very accurate, making sure all the notes go down perfectly together. Now balancing again the dynamics, left hand is going to be gentler, right hand is going to dominate. It has the melody, that's what we want to hear. It has to shine. So let's start. left hand is not lifting, but the right hand is lifting. And be careful with the dotted rhythm. Together, left, right, and... Now loud. And they come down together. D minor, C major, slowing down, crossover. A very simple piece, not quite as difficult as the other ones in this chapter, but it's very refreshing and a beautiful accompaniment pattern that you can use in so many other songs and pieces. Especially if you play from lead sheets where you have chords and melody, you can easily use this accompaniment pattern.